Welcome everybody to the Purium unboxing video. This is the ULT in this box, and this is the Green Sale gift set. It has the free portable blender inside and the free cocoa hydrate too, which are not part of the normal kit. So I want to, this is the first cleanse group that I will be running, and I'm so delighted that you are all here with me. So I wanted to talk about each of the products inside so that you know how to use them and what to expect for the cleanse and how to best prepare. So let's get started. I'm gonna open this baby up here and we'll take a look what we got inside. The packaging is all compostable, which is really super cool. They are a very progressive company and respect the earth in a lot of different, they're just thinking about things a little differently than most. So that is awesome here. Some of this is for me. And okay, so what we have in here. This is one of the free gifts. It's the cocoa hydrate, and it is just a healthy hydration supplement you can put in your water, and it is made from coconut powder mostly and some various other things like beet juice powder, and this one is the passion orange guava flavor. I have not tried this one, but the pineapple one was very good, so I'm guessing this is going to be pretty tasty too. And also an easy way to help you drink more water during the cleanse. So this is a nice free gift for this kit. Then this one, this is the Biomedic, and the Biomedic is support for clearing glyphosate from the body. It is best taken after a meal. So when you do eat, then you can take your Biomedic. And this is the Super Cleanse R, which this is the parasite cleanse piece of the ULT, and this is something we do 10 days right in the middle of the cleanse. So it's a very specific time frame, and I'll talk about that when we go through the tracking. So you'll hang on to this. You won't start this one right away. These are the Super Immunos, and they are really great for your muscles. So as you're doing the cleanse, you won't lose muscle mass. So this is going to help you sustain your muscle mass, and it's a really good protein. It's actually made from lentils, so it's highly supportive for your body. And it's, in my past experience has been that even though I am not exercising at a very intense level, that this product helps to maintain muscle mass, and it can help to remove the cellulite, kind of the cellulite wrinkles. I mean, I don't really know what you want to call that, but it helps to remove that from your body as well, and can be very supportive. When you actually open this up and take a look at these supplements that are made from lentils, they are chalky, a little bit chalky, and they have a unique scent about them. But as long as you just take them, swallow them, they're very supportive. They're also really good for kind of that craving control. So you're not, you don't, it's like you're not starving. You don't get hungry as you're going through the cleanse, and those support that too. So in these bags, you have your Power Shake, your Appleberry Power Shake. This is, you do 5.5 tablespoons in 10 to 20 ounces of cold water, and you shake it up. And it can be a little bit grainy, like if you let it sit too long. So I always shake mine up continuously, and I drink these every single day and have for 3 years. So it's like your body gets addicted to the nutrients that are in this product. It's like, it's all green juice, it's all natural products, it's all organic, it's all 7-layer tested for heavy metals and all of that. So it is a very clean, pure product that you can trust. And so it also, the way it works with the cleanse is you can basically run like an intermittent fasting schedule where you can still drink these, so you're not depriving your body of any nutrients. And it's just a phenomenal product. So love this stuff, and we will be drinking 2 of these shakes a day. You can drink more. They do give you extra in the cleanse, so you can drink more than that if you'd like. But 2 a day is the recommended for the cleanse. Then we have, and you have 2 bags of these Power Shake, and each bag contains 2 pouches. So you have 4 pouches of the Appleberry Power Shake. If you do any of the other ULTs, some of them will have different mixes that you can do. This is the Apothecary. It's cherry concentrate juice, and of course it's all organic. This is for sleep support, and it also supports you with anti-aging too, so that's nice. It's really good for your skin. So you'll have 2 boxes of that in your cleanse. And then you have the other free gift, which is only during the green sale, and you get this portable blender. These are really fun because you can do your shakes in here and just blend it up real good, so it won't maybe even feel grainy as sometimes it can if you let it sit. So anyway, let me open this up real quick. All right, so there it is. It's a beautiful white little blender. You can run little smoothies at this. This is great for moms that are working, for just shaking up your smoothies or your green shake. Sometimes if you can take green shakes and you can add like blueberries to it or whatever you want to do. Or sometimes you can mix it with there's a lot of things you can do to make some really wonderful shakes with the Purium products. So this is going to be really fun to play with, and I will be posting videos on different smoothies that use this shake. So let me know if that brings up any questions, and I'm happy to support you along the way. So thank you so much, and I look forward to working with you.